Hey, first grade, let's look at the numbers 0 through 15. Now, these numbers will be a little bit different because we will have an entire 10 frame that is completely filled. And we're working in the teen numbers. So let's take a look. Let's start by just talking about how the different ways that we can represent numbers. We can use our fingers, we can use dice, 10 frames, we can use a rec and rec, tally marks, popsicle sticks, and even just the digits. Those are all different ways to represent a number. Let's see, can we match or draw a line from the fingers to the numbers it shows? In your Nearpod, that's what I want you to do. I want you to draw a line to see which one matches each. Then I want you to draw a line from the tally marks to the dice. So that will all be after this video. We can also show numbers using objects. We can use Unifix cubes, teddy bear counters, and two-sided counters. So let's talk about the number 11. The number 11 is a two-digit number. We have two ones that put 11 together. The 11 is in standard form. Down here, 11 is in word form. When you look at our 10 frame, we have one entire 10 filled and one more 1. That represents 11. Here, we have an entire 10 scooped ice cream and one more. That makes 11. Here, 11 is the same as saying 10 and one more, because we have a 10 completely filled with our 10 frame and one more. So it would also be like us saying 10 plus 1 equals 11. I want you to show me the number 10 in 10 frames using the dots on the side. Remember, the 11 has one completely 10 frame completely filled in and one more. The number 11 on the number line. Where would we find the number 11 on the number line? Yep, he is right here. Here is your number 11. What number comes after him? 12. What number comes before him? 10. That's the number 11. I want you to draw and find all of the pictures and draw a circle around all the pictures that show us 11. Let's look at the number 12. The number 12 is a two-digit number. Here, he's in standard form. Down here, we're using words to represent him. We have one entire scoop of 10 scooped ice cream and two more. Look at your 10 frame. You have 10 dots completely filled in with the 10 frame and then two more. That shows us 12. We can look at this too. 12 is the same as saying 10 and two more. So having 10 dots in a 10 frame and two more. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Show me how you would represent 10 on the 10 frame using the dots provided. There's the number 12 on a number line. 11 is before him and 13 is after him. Show me all the ways that you can see 12. Take your time counting. Let's look at number 13. He's a two-digit number. Right now, he's in standard form. Down at the bottom, he is in word form. If you look at our scoops of ice cream, we have one tall tower of 10, and then 3 more scoops. On your 10 frame, you have one entire 10 completely filled in and 3 more dots. That makes 13. We could also say 13 is the same as 10 10 and 3 more. 10 plus 3 equals 13. So we have 10, 3 more gives us 13. Show me what 13 would look like using the dots and using your Nearpod when we're finished. There's number 13 on our number line. Who is before him? 12. Who is after him? 14. Counting really carefully, circle all of the numbers that represent 13. Here is 14, another 2-digit number. So we have a 1 and a 4. So we have one tall tower of 10 ice cream scoops and 4 more. Right now, 14 is in standard form. Down at the bottom, he is in word form. If you look at our 10 frame, we have one entire 10 filled in with 4 more dots. That shows us the number 14. 14 is also the same as saying 10 and 4 more. We could say 10 and 4 more. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Using your Nearpod, show me what 14 looks like in 10 frames. The last number, here's number 14 on the number line. Who comes right after him? 15. Who comes before him? 13. Circle all of the objects that show us the number 14. Here is the number 15. He is another 2-digit number. Right now, he is in standard form. Down here, he is in word form. We have one entire tower of ice cream cones that are made up of 10 and 5 more. If you look down at our 10 frame, we have an entire 10 frame filled with 5 more dots. That's number 15. We could also say that 15 is the same as 10 dots and 5 more. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. Using your Nearpod, show me what 10 looks like in the 10 frame, or 15. 15. Here is the number 15 on our number line. What comes before him? 14. What comes after him? 16. Okay, so those are the numbers 10 through 15 or 11 through 15. Go back and fill in all of those things using your Nearpods. And tomorrow we're going to discuss numbers 0 through 20.